How to get $100,000 in business funding. So first things first, I know this is a business, but your personal credit is imperative to getting that amount, that large amount of a loan for your business. So make sure you have a credit score of 680 or above. And this is like good to excellent credit score because you're going to be doing a personal guarantee for this kind of money, especially if you're a new business startup, etc. So you're going to need to show that you are reliable with that amount of money. And go ahead, feel free to look at other videos on my channel about how to improve your credit score. But 680 and above is key. And how do you guys get that? Just briefly, every credit card that you have open, every loan, everything, make sure you're under 30% of the credit limit. So like, for example, I have a Discover credit card for $10,000, right? The credit limit is $10,000. Under 30%, that means what I have on there is under $3,000. I cannot go over $3,000 and I will mess up my credit utilization. So each and everything that you have open, make sure that it's under 30%, if not 25, just to be safe, on the safe side. Next thing that you're gonna wanna do is pay your payments on time. Everything on time, if not on the invoice date, but before the due date, whatever. Just make sure it is paid on time. There's no missed or late payments on your credit report. Next, they're going to look at your business history, your business account. Make sure you have 6 months worth of history, money going in, money coming out. So you could just take a look at how much you need, how much you're utilizing, how much is coming in that can cover this amount, etc. So have a really good documents and make sure you're keeping your business and your personal accounts separate, and all will go well. Next, keep the inquiries on your credit report to a minimum. When you're really trying to go after credit, just make sure it's grouped all in like at one time, or get a credit report the day you run it. Like, get a copy and give it to whoever, but don't let people run your credit and all that stuff until you're really ready to receive funds. Lastly, make sure that you have vendors reporting on your credit report. You want like an ample amount of like credit card companies or vendors with a significant like $2,000 or more accounts reporting, so that you can show that you're responsible enough to handle large sums of money, and then apply. So make sure you have all these steps before applying, because you don't want them to run your credit and it gets dinged, a hard inquiry, and you're not even ready to get this funding, So take a peek at your credit report and just make sure that everything is good and dandy before you apply for big loans like these, because you want to get approved. And I hope that works for you. Go ahead and check out some of the videos that I have next, because they are on vendor accounts and how to get those accounts reporting on your credit report so you can get that $100K in funding. See you.